you're not getting paid per day, you're not getting paid per hour, but rather you're getting paid per minute. You're getting paid $5 plus every minute if you implement this strategy correctly. So I recommend you watch this video to the end so you never miss anything. And keep in mind, you're not going to sell anything, you're not going to do any borrowing surveys, or you're not going to refer anybody. This is a simple strategy which requires no skills, and everybody all over the world can do this right using his mobile phone. It doesn't require you to use a computer, but you can use a computer if you wish. Right here, I'm showing you how you can make $5 plus every minute just using your mobile phone. And it's very easy as you watch me doing it with you. If you are interested in making money with your mobile phone, then you are in the right place, because on this channel, I always upload videos each and every day letting you know simple ways you can make quick money online just using your mobile phone, so that your mobile phone becomes an asset which gives you passive income every day whilst you're even sleeping. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, and don't forget to like this video as to push the algorithm to introduce to more people who needs the video just like you. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's get into it, and let me make everything short and as simple as always, so you can also do it within few minutes of your time and make passive income with this strategy. So as you can see here, I'm on a website which is called Skillshare.com. So just type Skillshare in your browser. So you type Skillshare in your browser, and then you browse Skillshare.com. So you'll be sent to a homepage like this. I'm actually using an Opera browser, and I've turned on the desktop mode. As you can see, the desktop side is turned on. That's why it is looking this way. So you can also use that if you wish, or you can use any browser if you want, but I am using Opera browser right now. So you can see here, I'm in the homepage of Skillshare.com, and right here you can see watch now, discover the world of cinema 4D. What is it about? Skillshare is a website which people come to learn new things, come to watch videos. It's a platform which people also upload videos and teach people here for free. Now, don't get me wrong, because you're not gonna create any video, it is already done for you, and you're gonna make money every minute with it. You can see here there are a lot of videos here on this website that people come to watch, and it's got a lot of students here who watch its videos here and learn new things every day. So you're gonna scroll down to the bottom, and you can see company, community, teaching, and then what I'm interested in, or where you're gonna focus on, is the teaching side right at the bottom of the website. So you're gonna click on here. It says become a teacher. Never care if you're not a teacher, because it's something which is done for you. It's very simple. As you watch this video, you see that it's very, very simple. So here, when you click on become a teacher, you say why teach on Skillshare. You can read that, but let's focus on here where it says how can I earn money. So how can you earn money by teaching? It says you earn money through monthly royalties based on the amount of minutes watched in your classes, plus referral bonus for every student you refer to Skillshare Premium membership. You can also refer people here and get money. That's why I love Skillshare most. So I'm going to teach you how you're going to upload videos and teach people, but you're not going to create the videos yourself, and it's free for everybody to also do. So click on here, it says start class, and when you click on that, you can see here my class, and then how classes work, class requirements, choosing a topic, and all these things. So what are you going to do? You're going to concentrate on here. It says upload videos. But wait, what are your videos? You're not going to create any video, but as I said, and as I promised you earlier, we have already made video, and this is where you're going to use the second step. Another step 2, you're going to enter a website called renderforest.com. So you can also type renderforest on your browser, and as you see here, I'm still using my Opera app, and you can see I've turned the desktop mode. That's why it is looking this way. That's the visual. The visual is looking this way. So here you are on renderforest.com. Renderforest also help people to get an already made video without them wasting much of their time creating the video themselves, because they have already made templates, which I'm going to show you some very soon. So you can create a website here, you can create a logo here, and you can do markups, a lot of things here on Renderforest. But what are you going to do? You're not going to create logo, you're not going to create anything other than we're going to click on here. It says what? Video at the top of the website. So when you click on videos, it's going to load a bunch of templates here, and all these are video templates, but you can select any of them and then make money with it. But my number one recommendation is here. It says whiteboard animation toolkit. So you're going to click on here. It says whiteboard animation toolkit, and when you click on that, you're going to have over 1,000 scenes made for you. And after you click on the whiteboard animation, you can see there's a template here, and here you're going to click on create now. Why did I suggest you click or you choose on whiteboard animation? Is because people love whiteboard animation a lot, and they enjoy learning new skills and then new information and getting knowledge by watching whiteboard animation. So that is why videos is gonna get a lot of views, and I prefer using whiteboard animation the most other than the other template. So when you click on that, you're gonna click on here. It says create now, So after you click on the create now, you're gonna send to this page. You can see there are 3 things here. It says add scene, load a preset, and type your script. And since you don't wanna involve into much of work, you're just gonna click on here. It says load a preset. It is already done for us, and you're gonna click on load a preset, and you click create. So when you click on create, you're gonna send to a bunch of templates already done for you. And as you can see here, e-learning, platform promotion, and you can see business training, courses explainer, and web development services. All these are courses already done for you, and we're gonna use this template which is done for us already, and then we make money with it. So I'm gonna click on here. It says business training courses explainer. You can select any of these templates and then make money with it on Skillshare.com. So when you click on one of these templates, you click on the use ready story. So you click on here. It says use ready story. And when you click on use ready story, you can see you can change a lot of things here. You can type in your own words, and when you click on the next button here it shows you how you want your whiteboard animation to display, either cut paper or board drawn. And I suggest you use the board drawn. You can also use the cut paper as well, but I'm using the board drawn for this video. And then you click on next button here. When you click on the next button here, you can change the colors and you make everything yours. So for example, we can click on the main colors down there, and then you change the colors to what you prefer. So I can change the colors to like whatever I want here. You can change it to either green here, and then click confirm. You see the color is looking very nice. You click on music button next, and you select a music of your choice. And after you select the music that you think sounds better, then you click on next, and you are done. So here, when you click on the next, what you're going to do is very simple. You just click on free preview here, and after you click on the free preview, you download it. And when you download, you upload to Skillshare. So you can see it is uploading, it is exporting, and after you finish exporting, you will get emailed. And when your video gets finished exporting, you click on download, and you are done. You then come to Skillshare, and then you click on here. It says upload a video. You click on your files, and now you are done. You upload a video, you publish, and you start making money. Whenever people watch this video, you upload. And keep in mind, you're getting paid every minute straight into your PayPal account. So you can see here, after everything finished exporting, you can see here it says download. So I just download this, and then I am done. I upload it on Skillshare and make money. So guys, that is all for this video. And you find it helpful, give it a like. If you think you didn't find it helpful, you can also dislike the video, and then you tell me in the comment section what you think should be done or what you're looking forward. You can also give it a like and tell me what you're looking forward in my next videos or what you think should be done. Well, I upload new videos each and every day, as I said earlier, so consider subscribing if you want to make money online right on your phone and using your phone each and every day. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next playlist here.